Hi. So this website is called SumDog, and the math portion is free. Um, I set up an account as a parent to look, and I can have assessments, create challenges. I could have a competition. If I was a teacher, you could have competitions between students or different classes. If my class and another class wanted to compete against each other. So what I liked about this was that it was a little less loud, and the graphics weren't quite so engaging. It was a little toned down. Um, so I think the purpose for this for math would be to um, practice, and you can do, and again, you can have reports. So as a teacher, I think that would be something that I would utilize. I went on to play as a parent just to get a look, and I think that the games are not as loud, but they are still there. So we can choose from these games. The chef, again, here is where you can choose who you want to play against. And on this one, the music is very just low key. And I'm a common rat, so you earn points um, to become different animals, which kids like to do. And you're building a hamburger, and you're creating it the way it tells you. So when you get one wrong, it lets you try again, which I like. So it builds, and I, it's a lit. I liked it. I think also you can go here and you earn coins. You can buy things. You have a garden you can go to, plant, and um, again, depending on how many coins you have, you can do that. So this was the SumDog website. Thank you.